Ever feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of tufts? Miss Mindrift.ai, your new creative companion that turns your Mindrift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ai is here to help you navigate the currents of your creativity. Let's drift and discover together. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Mindrift.ai. So this is the homepage as you can see. So first of all, what is Mindrift? Mindrift is a community of experts dedicated to generate high-quality data for improving EA, composed of EA tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence. We leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative AI models. We have also here other information, so you can just read it to more understand. So let's come back here in the home page. We have here also join the Art Improving AI, get paid to write, edit, or annotate content for AI on the platform built for humans with complete time and location flexibility. Then if we scroll down, we have other information here, like here we have priority roles starting earning faster, like if you are a writer, or here we have also benefits of Mindrift like flexibility. The flexible working approach is a game changer and fits perfectly with my career. Then we have great community. I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. They are already kind and helpful. Then we have the third one is get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in comparison to other platforms. And then we have here fake about Mindrifts. This is the definition of Mindrift and also other information about Mindrift. You can just read it. And also we have getting start here, some questions, qualification here also, payment. You can just read it to more understand. Also hours here. So if you are a writer, all you have to do is click over apply now and apply as a writer. Become an EA tutor, get a head start in the job market tomorrow. So first of all, you write your first name, then you write your last name, your email, phone number, country, select in the profile, personal website also, and click over here if you are agree in those things. The first one is I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period, so what it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. Then the second one we have I confirm that I have read and understood the Mindrift privacy notice, and I give Mindrift my consent to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of invitation users to apply. Then you click over submit application and you start. So about how to earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ai, you can just leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing process, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. Here are some specific ways you can monetize your writing skills. Like first, we have content creation and freelance writing, like article and blog posts, ghost writing, and the second one we have self-publishing like ebooks, courses, and guides. Third one we have copywriting and marketing content like ad copy and sales pages or content marketing also. Then we have the fourth one is creative writing like fiction and poetry, script writing also, and the fifth one we have affiliate marketing and sponsored content like affiliate reviews, sponsored content also, and the last one we have editing and proofreading areas for improvement. So if you are an editor, all you have to do is click over apply now. Now you earn money editing diverse content to advance EA. Enjoy a flexible schedule while getting ready for the world of tomorrow. We have here first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, also select an profile, personal website, and you click over those things if you are really like the last one and as a writer. So last thing, you click over submit the application and you start earning money with Mindrift using skills an editor. So right now I will give you how you can use Mindrift.ea as an editor to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift. So the first one we have freelance editing services like copy editing, developmental editing. The second one we have content review and feedback like manuscript review. And we have also the third one is editorial consulting like author coaching, content strategy consulting, and the fourth one we have content creation and management like creating anthologies, managing editorial projects, and the fifth one we have educational services like editing guides and ebooks. And the last one we have affiliate marketing and partnerships, promoting tools and services. So right now let's click in over here apply now if you are domain expert. So here we have apply as domain expert, earn money to advance EA writing in your area of expertise, ensure a flexible schedule with no EA experience needed. So first thing you write your first name, last name, email, phone number, country, then LinkedIn profile, personal website, and click over here if you all agree in those things. Then last thing you submit the application and you start earning money as a domain expert. So as a domain expert, you have specialized knowledge in a particular field, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. So, first one is consulting and advisory services consulting. The second one we have content creation and publishing, writing articles and books like online courses and workshops. And the third one we have speaking engagement and webinars like public speaking, webinars, and online events. And the fourth one we have expert witness and legal consultant like expert witness. And the fifth one we have coaching and mentoring, one-on-one coaching or group coaching and mastermind. Sixth one we have developing and selling specialist products like proprietary tools and resources like like membership sites and subscription. And we have also the seventh one is affiliate marketing and sponsorships like product reviews and endorsements. And the last one is academic and research opportunities like teaching and academic grants and funding also. And that is of domain experts. So Mindrift.ea offers a versatile platform for earning money by tapping into creative and intellectual pursuits. Whether you are a writer, editor, content creator, consultant, or entrepreneur, Mindrift.ea can help you streamline your processes, generate new ideas, and enhance the quality of your work. By leveraging its tools and features, you can efficiently produce high-quality content, develop marketable projects, and offer valuable services. The platform ability to assist in brainstorming, organizing, and refining ideas makes it an invaluable resource for turning your skills into and creativity into profitable ventures. With Mindrift.ai, you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results.